up, guys? I'm bringing you back for the cut. Here she is. The yellow and the brown will show up more. See how the yellow is no longer orange, now it's yellow? The brown will show up more brown. Sorry about the lighting, I don't have very good lighting. I'm gonna turn the steamer on so I can steam it real quick. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a good day. Is it maybe the angle? I don't know. See it? It's beautiful. This is the shave and haircut, and it is a universal scent. And I absolutely love it. Oh, that's beautiful. Let me see. All what looks now like a brownish, it will be dark, dark brown. And the green, the lime green, will come out in the yellow as it saponifies. I'm really excited about the pattern. Can't really see it, can you? Beautiful. Let me know in the comments section if you tried the recipe, if you like it. It's beautiful. I wish I had better lighting in this kitchen. Just beautiful. I'll take a picture for you guys to see it. It's really beautiful. The yellow is going to darken up, and so will the brown and the green. As soon as the air hits it. I'll post some pictures at the end after the air has hit it for like 5 or 10 minutes, and you'll see how it yellowed up from the video. If this is a soap that you'd like to get, it's a universal scent. It's actually very clean, very fresh. I love it. And I think it would work for both sexes. I'm going to use some for sure. Who doesn't like a shave, right? And a haircut? Everybody does. I love getting in the tub and shaving and going and getting a haircut. I love doing that. It smells very clean, very just like you had a brand new haircut. You know how you feel, how wonderful you feel after you have your haircut, and how fresh you feel after a shave. It's a beautiful pattern. Beautiful pattern. You can see as I'm cutting it how it's beginning to darken as the air hits it from the original first cut. And that's what'll happen as the air touches it and it saponifies. My colors will pop. That's why I CPOP'd it, for color, right? And these little white things that you see is just soap from my finger. It's a beautiful soap. Beautiful soap. I'm going to have to order some more of that. I only got 2 ounces, about 2.5 ounces, because I wanted to try it, right? And that's enough for a batch. And I really like it. So I've done that before, and I love brambleberry, so I'll go back and get some more. I really like it, and I think it's gonna be a great seller for both men and women. It won't last long. Very clean. I don't like a real strong scent, you know. I like a very clean, subtle scent, and the yellow is going to be beautiful. Look at that. And that green, and there is no soda ash. What little bit of soda ash is on this one right here will steam off when I clean them. But look at that pattern. Beautiful swirl. Gosh, just lovely. Yeah, let me know if you tried this. See how the green is really coming out? And the yellow? The brown will darken. It's beautiful. Let me know if you tried the recipe. This will be ready to ship 9/8. These are gorge. Gosh. It smells so good. You know how if you go to, like if you go to a men's, where men go and get their hair, you know, cut and a clean shave. I think you could go there as women too, right? And so this is not an overpowering aftershave scent. It is a scent that I would buy for a man or a woman. They're absolutely beautiful. I'll post some pictures for you guys. The white will come out more, the white here, and the yellow will show up more. So I'll let them sit out as I stated, and I will show you guys a picture of them. And these will be little samples here to send out. But they're absolutely beautiful. Thanks for watching, you guys. I really appreciate it. Namaste. All the colors will darken up, guys. The brown, the white, the green, the yellow. It's beautiful soap.